Oh snap. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video with your favorite couple. So today, y'all, today's video is going to be me cooking. I'm going to be cooking for my husband and myself. So I never actually did a cooking vlog before, but it's the first time for everything, right? So I am going to be cooking some chicken breasts, and I'm also going to be cooking some other stuff too, but we're going to get to that later. But how you guys doing? How you guys feeling? I hope everyone is enjoying their Friday. Today is Friday. I don't know when you're going to watch this video, but today is Friday. And we late. So my husband is at work, and I am here about to whip it up real quick. But I wanted to do a cooking vlog for you guys so you guys can see how your girl throw down in the kitchen. How I throw it down in the kitchen. Kitchen. So y'all, first thing first, I'm going to take off my wedding ring, my marriage ring, whatever you want to call it. I want to take this off because I don't want it to get messed up. But before I do that, I do want to show you guys what I got from the store and what I'm going to be cooking. The first thing you would need is chicken breasts, boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You can get like whatever kind of chicken you want, but me and my husband, we love the boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Like, I'm gonna put y'all on for real. Like, this is so good. You can use any meat you want. You don't have to use the skinless ones if you don't want to. So got some potatoes, 4 potatoes. I'm gonna actually chop these up, make them real cute. You know, I got me some of my green pepper. Boom. And I also got my onion. I'm not looking forward to this, but hey, it is what it is. And then you burn your eyes. And then I also got my tomatoes. Yes, I love these tomatoes. Look like balls. But I got my tomatoes, y'all. Super cute, super red. Mushrooms. Me and Babe love mushrooms. I literally will put mushrooms on anything, but y'all, you gonna have the chicken, the mushrooms, all that will be fire. I also bought some extra stuff, but that's not for my cooking. I just bought some rice cakes, boom, some oranges for me and Babe to eat. I only got 2 because, honey, we don't really be like eating fruit like that, because you know, you buy fruit and then you don't really eat it all. So I got 4 bananas. Me and Babe get 2 each. And you know, on our little cheat days or whatever, you know, little ice cream, the best. Cookies and cream. Then I also got some asparagus. This is what we're gonna eat with our chicken. Boom. Here are the seasonings that I use on my chicken. But first, let me put this stuff up. And let me go put my ring up. Put my ring safe and sound, because I don't want it to get messed up. Without your butter. You can't do it without the butter. Like, y'all, butter make everything better. It's bad for you, but well, sort of. But it makes everything better. And so, y'all, I got this Mr. and Mrs. thing that, well, I didn't get it, but my best friend bought this for me. It says Mr. and Mrs. And like, whenever we take our rings off, we will put our rings in here. Of course, my husband don't have his in here because he's at work, but I'm gonna put mine in the Mrs. option. And it's so cute. I love it. First I'm gonna do is get my pan ready for cooking. And then I'm gonna start preparing my seasonings. So what I like to do with my seasonings, I like to get a nice succulent plate. I like to get a plate. I like to use a plate because it just, when you're cutting up your specifically your tomatoes, you want to keep that juice in your, like, you need the juice for your meat to be baking in and cooking in. So if you use a plastic plate, like, it's just not gonna be right. So next, what I'm gonna do, now I got my plate, I'm gonna get me a knife. And so y'all, once I cut my tomatoes up, look at that. Look at all the juice. That's what you want to get when you're cooking with tomatoes. You want to get all that juice. So now what I do is I take my pan and I pour all of my tomatoes in there, the juice and everything. I'm going to spread it around the pan. So y'all, now that I got my tomatoes in, that's a cute thumbnail. Okay, I got my tomatoes in, and then I always look at my pan and be like, is that enough tomatoes? And it's not enough tomatoes for me, so I'm going to use another tomato. They're so pretty. I picked out like the perfect tomato. I'm going to use another tomato and I'm going to cut that up the same way I did the other one. So guys, I'll be back when I cut the other one up. Would be like, why you just don't get the seasoning that's already chopped up, like pre-chopped up for you? Me personally, I really don't want that. I like to, I feel like getting prep stuff like that, certain stuff you could get that's already prepped, but like stuff like your seasoning, I just feel like it just takes the fun out of the cooking, you know? Cutting up my peppers, and I'm gonna pour them in here. And so this is how it looks. The tomatoes and the peppers are all blending in really well. So yeah, y'all see the juice? That's what we want. We want the juice. Our chicken is gonna be good. So y'all, now that we got our peppers, we got our tomatoes. This is my least favorite part, but I love them so much. Onions. Child, oh my gosh. Oh, I hate this about cooking. Hold up, wait a minute. Woo, boy, onions ain't nothing. Like, damn it. Oh, okay. Woo. Okay, y'all. I gotta help him do this because I'm literally done over here. This ain't. Well, oh God. I did say I like to cut my own stuff up. God damn it. Okay. Oh snap. Okay, y'all. I can't wait to go back and watch this part because this is ridiculous, for real. The onions wasn't so fun. So what I'm gonna do, I pulled out my mini chopper and I'm going to put these onions in here because I just cannot. I really can't, y'all. So y'all, I wound up just using only one onion because I just couldn't. I could not do it. So I'm gonna keep this other onion for another time. This is the seasoning, looking cute. I did that, period, with a lot of crying. But this is the seasoning. Get started on my chicken. So yeah, let's get that served. Let's get that right. Period, poo. One of the seasons that I use. Don't say I did not put you on. It's the best. You see, it's a complete. It's the complete seasoning mix that you need for any style of food. I'm also going to use onion powder, garlic powder, my pepper, cayenne pepper, because I know we like the spice. I may put a little Tony on there. Boom, boom. Italian seasoning. Lastly, parsley flakes. So that's all of my seasonings that I'm going to use. These are mostly all of my seasonings I'm going to use. Let's get the seasoning. So y'all, now that I'm done seasoning my chicken, I'm going to put it in the pan. I got my chicken prep, y'all. Look how good that looks. Like, well, it don't look good raw, but it looks like perfectly lined up. Like, I did that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on my oven. Hold on, y'all. So I'm gonna turn on my oven. I'm gonna just preheat it at 350 for right now. And then once it preheats, we'll get this thing started. So I have to I'm gonna add a couple more seasonings. So y'all, now that my oven is preheating, I am going to start chopping up my potatoes. So I'm gonna put my potatoes in there. And then I'm also going to add my mushrooms. This whole bucket is going in the pan because we love mushrooms. So y'all, this is the finished look. I use 1 stick of butter. I put half right here and then also half right here. So this is also going to make the juice with the tomato, the seasoning, and everything else. And I also put my mushrooms on. Yeah, I think it's ready to go in the oven. Oh, it's about to be so fire. Poke a little hole in here. Boom, 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 boom. Just to give it that, you know, little breathing area. It's going in the oven. Hold up. Your girl is Chef D for real. So now y'all, we just gotta wait for that chicken to cook. Wait for the chicken to cook. And by the way, I wanted to use it only one potato. So I bought 3 potatoes. I really need all that. So it's cool. If I ever needed like add more potatoes, I'll just put some in the pan, like I'll boil or whatever. But I'm gonna save this. So I ended up just having an onion and 3 potatoes. That's all I had left. So now I'm about to wash dishes because you know while that's cooking, I'm going to be cleaning up. Well, I also did not use all the mushrooms like I thought I was going to use, just because the pan was so tiny. But I can always, you know, put mushrooms in like a pan, skillet it up, you know, with some garlic butter and put it in there if we run out. So yeah, I'm gonna check on the chicken. See how it's coming. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh wee. Oh my god, look at that. I'm so lit, y'all. Hold up, let me get a fork. Your girl is cooking. Call me Chef D. Okay, that's the meat. Y'all, look at that juice. That's what I was talking about. See all that juice in there? Period. Period. So the meat is still need to cook some more. But yeah, guys, this is what it's looking like so far. Yeah. So yeah, I'm actually about to check on the chicken again. I'm so excited. See that steam, right? Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at this, y'all. To die for. So I think it's pretty much done. I'm just gonna let it sit in the oven, you know, just to get the little extra warmth, you know. But it's really done. It's done, y'all. It's done. Detail, baby. Look at that. Hold up, let me get my fork. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh wee. We got everything up in here. Look at that. Look at that. Baby. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video with your girl cooking. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that notification button, because we got more videos coming. If y'all like my cooking videos, make sure you let me know down the I don't drop the thing. Let me know down in the comment section, and I would love to do more videos like this. I love you guys so much, and peace out.